In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create adjustable reference lines in Tableau. This is a great feature for improving data visualization, allowing you to adjust targets dynamically and enhance your analysis. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, we need to launch the Tableau app. Make sure you have it installed on your computer and open the application. Once Tableau is up and running, let's move on to accessing the worksheet that you want to work with. This is where you'll be building your visualization. Once you have your worksheet open, the next step is to drag the sales data to the rows shelf. This action plots your sales data on the vertical axis of your Tableau graph. With the sales data in place, your next task is to click on the Analysis tab at the top of the screen. From there, select Create Calculated Field. This will bring up a dialog box where you can input your custom calculation. Let's name this calculated field Target. Then you'll need to type in the necessary query for your target calculation in the input box provided. Once you've entered the query, go ahead and click OK to save and close the dialog box. Now that we've established our target field, we need to drag this target field and place it in the details section under the marks field. This step sets up your reference line for later use. The next thing to do is to right-click on the axis where your sales values are displayed. You'll see an option to add a reference line, which you should select. This will bring up another dialog where you need to set the scope of the reference line to Entire Table, ensuring it spans all the data points. Within the same dialog, you'll need to adjust the value settings from AGG target to sum. This adjustment tailors the reference line calculation to reflect your total target that you've set up. Once these changes are made, click OK to apply them. Now to make the reference line adjustable, we need to create a parameter. Locate the drop-down menu in your Tableau interface and select Create Parameter. Let's name this parameter Adjustable Target and change the display format to represent a percentage. This makes it clear when adjusting targets based on percentage values. Switch the range settings to use sales or target under Add Values From, with a minimum set to 0 and a maximum to 100. This step sets up the parameter to be used later. Once configured, click OK. You'll want to find the adjustable target parameter in the interface, click on it, and select Show Parameter. This tells Tableau to display the parameter control so you can adjust it easily. Finally, hover over Target, right-click, and select Edit. In the query box, it's time to integrate our new adjustable parameter by adding Adjustable Target. Click OK when you're done to save the change. And there you have it. You've successfully created adjustable reference lines in Tableau, which can now be dynamically adjusted using the parameter control, giving you more flexibility and depth in your data analysis. Happy analyzing!